Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the assassination of Haiti's president, a pivotal event that shocked the nation. On a quiet early morning, a group of armed individuals breached the presidential residence in Port-au-Prince. The president was tragically killed, suffering multiple gunshot wounds. His wife was also injured in the attack, receiving critical medical care outside the country. This brazen act immediately plunged the nation into a state of profound uncertainty and grief, sparking widespread international condemnation. The investigation quickly revealed a complex network of alleged perpetrators. A significant number of those implicated were foreign mercenaries, many identified as former military personnel from Colombia. Additionally, several Haitian-American individuals were arrested in connection with the plot. Reports indicated that some of the attackers falsely claimed to be agents of a United States government agency during the assault, adding another layer of deception to this tragic event. The group comprised over 24 individuals. The investigation into the president's death has been extensive, leading to numerous arrests across two nations. Authorities in both Haiti and the United States have apprehended many individuals believed to be involved. Among those charged are high-ranking figures, including the president's widow, a former prime minister, and a former police chief. Evidence suggests the initial plan may have been to kidnap the president, but it tragically escalated to assassination. Over 50 people have been formally charged in this ongoing, complex case. Despite extensive efforts, the investigation in Haiti continues to grapple with substantial challenges, including a fragile judicial system and pervasive gang violence. The precise motives behind this heinous act are still being thoroughly explored, with theories ranging from intense political power struggles to the president's alleged efforts to curb drug trafficking. Many critical questions persist regarding the true masterminds and the complete scope of the conspiracy. International cooperation remains vital in the ongoing pursuit of justice and clarity for this profound national tragedy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.